I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing power, and you do it deliberately. Unplug and take out any batteries. Next, inspect the case. Turn screws counterclockwise and lift the back gently. Some clips release with a flat tool. Once done, note ribbon connectors and the cable entry point so you know where the wire routes. Make sure to keep screws organized, labeled if needed, and set the keyboard on a soft, non-static surface. This prevents lost parts and accidental shorts. You now expose the PCB and identify where the wire is soldered or clipped. Heat the joint with a 300 to 350 degrees C iron, then use desolder braid or a pump to remove old solder. Work quickly to avoid overheating nearby components. Once the wire is free, lift it out with tweezers. Then clean the pads with flux and isopropyl alcohol. This improves wetting for the new connection and prevents cold joints, which can cause intermittent or failed. You tin both the new wire and the PCB pads, then solder with steady heat. Press the wire into the pad and feed solder until a shiny fillet forms. Once cooled, inspect for bridges or cold joints. Use a multimeter continuity check to confirm connections. Reassemble the case, reconnect any ribbons and batteries, then plug it in to test key response. If something's off, reheat suspect joints, check continuity and routing, and make sure no stray solder or debris causes a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.